Welcome back to channel everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can build your first ever AI agent inside M365 Copilot. As you can see, I'm inside m365.cloud.microsoft, or you can go to your any of the Microsoft product, and through the Waffle menu you can just click on M365 Copilot. You will land here, and in the left hand side you will see there is a search, chat, create, apps and admins. Chat, as you all aware about, it's a similar experience like chat GPT, and you can type anything here, it will respond based on your query. Now the important part is the agents, which we're going to explore today, and there is explore agent options as well. You will see this is the agent store where there are agents built from Microsoft, some feature agents and some more agents as well. You can leverage them directly. To use them, you need an M365 Copilot license, or maybe if you have some trial license, you can use that as well. I don't have any license, I'm using the free version, so we'll see what we can do with the free version. And now there is options to create agent and create agent in the right as well. Once you click this, you will land this Copilot Studio interface here. This is not exactly the Copilot Studio. This is the Copilot Studio mini version, you can say. Here you can describe what you want to build, or you can try one of the following templates if you want to. But I want to create a custom Copilot agent. So what I'll do, I'll just describe my need and we'll see that how it goes on. So I've just typed in a plain simple language. I will see that what it does. You will see it is saying your agent is now set up to provide detailed answer to Power Apps questions. Next, let's choose the name of your agent. I suggest Power Apps Expert. Would you like to use this name, or do you have another name in mind? So either you can use this name or you can provide your own name as well. The name will change here once you provide it here. Should be okay. Now you'll see it will change the name here in few seconds. It has changed because I've just given over expert. I just removed power. You'll see that it has asked me different questions, but I've given the Power Apps so it has changed the Power Apps Expert demo. So that is also a thing it's understand, right? And it has asked the same questions again to me. Now let's continue refining what your agent will do. Are there any particular type of Power Apps questions or scenarios you want agent to focus on, such as troubleshooting, best practices, integrations, or something else? I want it to respond all question related to Power Apps, but specific to development question. Okay, so it is updating on the right hand side your prompt based on that. So it says your agent Power App Expert demo is now set up to provide detailed answer to all Power Apps questions, specifically focusing on development topics. Next, we have an option to add knowledge source for your agent. If you want, you can provide publicly accessible website that the agent can use to enhance its responses. This step is optional. Would you like to add a knowledge source now? So yes, if we go to the configure, you will see in the detail, it has provided the name. It has added the description based on what we provided. It has added the instruction based on what I have given. You can always add instructions if you want to add more instructions here. The limit is 8,000. And in the knowledge, you will see right now there is no knowledge source. So I'll go here and pick this URL and add it here, hit enter. Now you'll see there is one public website has been added as a knowledge source. So all the answer will be coming through this knowledge source. You can add multiple type of knowledge source, but obviously that's a capability available in the licensed one. So right now we can give our public website URL here, and if you want to enable the code interpreter, so code interpreter basically convert natural language into code to create visualizations, solve math problems, and analyze data. You can turn this on. Image generator you can turn on as well. And then there is suggested prompts. So these are the prompts it has generated based on what descriptions we have given. So right now this is okay. I have added the knowledge source as well. I have added the knowledge source already, I will say. So I have nothing from this. So what I'll do, I'll just click on create now. Once I click on the create, it is preparing or creating the agents for me. Now the agent was created successfully. You will see in the inside the agent we have Power App export demos available, and the link work for only you. I can change the sharing setting. I can share this agent anyone in your organization, specific users or groups that you can define, like security groups. And right now it's only you, so I can use it for myself. So once this is done, I can go to the agent directly. Power Apps Export Demo. You will see some of the prompts that has been defined there are here. And if I just click on development troubleshooting and how do I debug a formula in Power Apps. So you'll see it is giving you the answer the way you want it. So if you know the answer, you will see that it is giving the correct answer. We'll ask more specific questions. So first what we're going to do is, so we're going to use this directly inside my Teams. Here you have this Copilot options available. Once you click on this, you will see in the right hand side your Power Apps Export Demo is available. You have options to uninstall this. You can share this, edit this. You can pin this as well. So let's suppose I pin this here, and now if I click on the Power Apps Export Demo, what is the delegation limit in Power Apps and how to overcome this? We'll see this. Now you'll see that it is giving the answer, and is giving a by default 500, can increase to 2000, and to overcome the delegations limit, use the following strategies: filter data at the data source, use delegable functions, paginations data, use collections, optimize data structure. So it's giving answer correctly. So you can ask any questions to this and you can ask based on your prompts that are available. So if I have to look for performance optimizations, select this, ask it, it will give you correct answer. So this is how you can build your first ever AI agent in M365 Copilot. I hope you like this video. We can achieve more with the agent in our Copilot Studio with the more customizations options available. We'll talk about that in our later videos. Till then, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.